there, it's Neo. Welcome to the NeuTRAFIX tutorial series. In this video, I'll show you how to top up your buyer account, so you're ready to start trading on NeuTRAFIX. Let's get started. First, make sure you're on the buyer page. Before topping up your balance, add your finance contact for notifications. You can do this through the notification settings menu on the left. Haven't created an account yet? Check out our Add Account video first. For topping up your balance, you've got 3 ways to do it. The Add sign in the top right next to your balance, the Recharge menu under Money on the left sidebar, or the Top Up button in your account list. Pick whichever works for you. For this demo, we'll use the Add sign next to your balance. Click that Add sign. You'll see a few options to fill your balance: credit card, wire transfer, or PayPal. PayPal's and credit card only available by request, so contact your account manager for that. For this demo, we'll use wire transfer. After picking wire transfer, fill in a few details. Select your buyer account. Add the sender's company name, enter the amount you want to add, put in your phone number with country code, and your email for the confirmation. Hit submit, and you'll get an email at that address with all the wire transfer info. Once you've sent the payment, track the status through payment and transaction history on the left. Your balance will automatically update once it's confirmed. And that's how simple it is? Simplify your trading with NeuTRAFIX, and see you in the next series.